Now the beauty of freestyling is not only do you build explosiveness and improve your strength and it makes you look cool, but it puts your muscles under so much tension that it can help with stimulating muscle growth, okay? And most importantly, it's gonna make you look like you've got some real superhuman strength. Alright, what's good everyone? It's your boy G Nasser with another video. Now listen, this might be one of the best tutorials I've made for bodyweight on my channel. Now today we're gonna learn the freestyle. And don't worry, it doesn't have to look intimidating. It's gonna be broken down into steps for beginners. Even if you're just starting out calisthenics, you can still learn this. Alright, so let's begin with the very basic. The push-up, alright? Now I suggest you guys are able to do at least like 3 to 5 push-ups when you're starting this. So it would look something like this, okay? Normal push-ups. We spoke about the technique and all that in my previous video. Now, the second exercise you want to do, okay, so we can get used to holding our body weight on just one side of our body, is some shoulder taps, okay? This will teach you some balance and stability. So just tap your shoulders left and right. Very simple, okay? So now I have 2 exercises, the push-ups and the shoulder taps. Now if you combine these exercises, this is what you get. Push-up, shoulder taps, and there we go. This already alone is impressive. Now for the third skill, we're gonna learn some explosiveness. So this is the eccentric, and what you wanna do is you wanna go explosive on the concentric. So push explosively up when you're coming up, okay? So you can practice like this, go down, push, until you can eventually take your palms off the ground. So it would look something like this, okay? You can use a little trick here to get you higher by pushing your hips up when you're going up. So you go down and then you kind of stick your bum out, so it can help you lift your hands and your body, upper body, off the ground. This is a little trick to help you with the momentum and getting off the ground, okay? So we can use this. See, this technique is going to help us a lot in the future with freestyling and other skills. So now to just take it a step further, we're going to learn to use our legs. So what you want to do is very simple, okay? It's kind of like a burpee, but you don't go all the way up. So what you do is you do a push-up and then you bring your legs forward or feet forward and you go into a squat position, just like when you're doing a burpee. So a push-up and your feet forward. Keep practicing this. Okay, so this is our 4th exercise. Now for the 5th one, we're gonna use only one leg. We're gonna go into lunge. So it looks something like this. Push up, just bring one of your feet forward and keep the other one back. Okay, by the way, you guys need some flexibility for this, so make sure you warm up so you don't get any injury. Then back, look at this, okay? Now the beauty of this, once you learn these 5 skills, you can start combining your own exercises together. And of course you can play around. You can do some push-up, shoulder tap, some lunge, then some explosive, then lunge with the other leg, and so on. Okay, there's people interrupting my videos, it's all right. But you guys get the point. You can just play around with these skills, with these exercises that we learned. Very easy exercises. It puts your heart rate up, your muscles are gonna feel a bit sore. Great way to take your calisthenic game to the next level. So once again, just to show you how it looks. Now be aware that I'm gonna be posting more of these tutorials in the future. It's gonna be more advanced and better skills. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time.